Okay, so me and David are gonna have a conversation over a soundboard of Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah. I'm over here. He's over there on a laptop. So right now he's gonna start the conversation.
Okay, ready?
All right, buddy. Here we go.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
How are you? Good. Good. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good. Good. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
First, I would like to just get to know you. There's someone in my house eating my birthday cake with my family. No. No, that's not true. Yes! No. What the fuck? Stop it! Fuck you. What the fuck? Fuck you. I would like to talk to you about Thomas Aquinas. No. What the fuck did I do wrong?
Oh,
You son of a bitch. Cookies? Fuck you, asshole. Who told you you can eat my cookies? Arnold Schwarzenegger. Shit. No. You son of a bitch. No. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good. Good. How are you? Good. 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 Good morning. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Good. Yes. Yes. Stop whining. Stop it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Do it now. Fuck you. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Stop being such a pussy. You son of a bitch. Fuck you. Bullshit. Fuck you. Fuck you. Shut up. Fuck you. You psychopathic bitch. Yeah. Fuck you. No, I know what I heard. Let me talk to your mother. No. No. You want to fuck with me? No. You want to fuck me? No. Fuck you. No. Fuck you. Yes. Fuck you. No. Fuck you, asshole. No, that's not true. Now here's my plan. Thanks. Fuck you. Thanks. Fuck you, asshole. Yes. Yes. Listen to me very carefully. Yes. Now listen to me very carefully. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Yes. Who are you? Great. Who are you? Great. That's right, I am. Hey, what is it? Who are you? Hi. Hi. I'm Arnold.
I'm sorry.
Who are you? I'm Arnold Gibson. Who the fuck are you? I'm Arnold Gibson. No, it is not true. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Fuck you. 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 Fuck you, asshole. Bullshit. Fuck you, asshole. I don't play that game. Stop it! Stop whining! No deal. Stop it. I will work honestly, without fear or favor. Fuck you. Hi. Fuck you.